This is KULFI in a can.
It's called a Yum Yum drink. If you guys don't know what KULFI is, it's basically like a popular frozen dessert in Pakistan. And I usually have it on my cheat days. Honestly, it's that sweetened condensed flavor. And it even looks like sweetened condensed milk. Holy. If it was only creamier and quite thick, it would honestly look like KULFI that I just made off the stove. I'm gonna put this in a glass so you can see the color. And it just looks like plain old Malai KULFI. But I wanna see what these other flavors taste like. Okay, so this looks exactly like this, but it smells like one of those green Asian melon candies. That's basically it. It's a melted green Asian lemon candy with a bit of milk flavor, I guess. This one smells like, it looks the same, but oh, what's that smell? This is cereal milk. This tastes like, which cereal?
This is no cereal milk.
Yeah, it is.
This is like orange icicle.
But that's Fruit Loops.
That's what it is.
Yeah, that's Fruit Loops. I would say it is better than the green one. Still not better than the OG KULFI flavor. So I'm giving this one like a 9.4 out of 10. No, 9.6 out of 10. A 8.4 out of 10. I would say a 7.1 out of 10.